Hello, hello. Infamous mob. Let me just make sure that I'm actually on without me just sitting here talking to nobody. I don't know when I'm on, how I'm on. Somebody just messaged me. Hello. Okay, let's just make sure all this is connected and working and all that good stuff. Okay, so infamous mob today is a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Give me the hashtag live, hashtag replay to let me know when you're watching this. And good Lord Jesus, if you missed this one, whew, if you missed this one, shame on you. Don't come knocking at my door if you miss this one and you come around and you say, please give me that thing again. It's gone forever. Gone forever till the end of time. You'll never see it again. So this one is a big one. I'm going to show you exactly how to steal. I'm going to let you take it away from me. Just, rob me blind. Just steal my system for making $100 a day by selling the OFA. That rhymes. So just remember that. Now, I'm doing this through Zoom, so I know I can share my little screen over here. Let's see. I can share my little screen. Let me just pull this up and kind of start boring you with my dialogue here. So here's the thing, right? And I was working on something else with my team last night. So here's the thing, right? The thing with the OFA and pretty much anything that you sell with your little affiliate link, okay, they're all exactly the same. Everybody thinks there's some like massively new or different, like, well, I don't know how to sell stuff. If you missed the 10x Content Accelerator Masterclass, where I went over exactly how to make content that sells, then shame on you again, because it's all in there. Okay. So the first thing you need, obviously, is you need traffic, right? You need these peoples, right? You need these peoples. Okay. Now, these people need to go in this system. What I'm going to give you, okay, I'm going to actually hand it right over to you. You can steal it from me. They're going to go to your opt-in page, okay, which I've already done for you. I've set it all up. All right. You're going to click this little button. Here's a picture of you. Here's your little message. I'm going to show you how to set all of this up. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to set it up. I'm going to show you how to steal it from me. I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day with this. Okay. Now, right from that opt-in page, they're going to go to your freebie. Now, the way that I have this freebie set up, it's a series. Okay. It's a series of trainings. And if you took the 10x Content Accelerator Masterclass, you know why that we do things this way. You know why that we create these kinds of videos, we create these kinds of trainings. You know what we want this particular prospect, this traffic, you know what we want them to believe, right? Their beliefs. So again, if you haven't taken that, I highly encourage you to take it. Now, from there, we have another page that I've created for you again, and this is where you upsell the OFA, okay? But it has bonuses. And I'm going to show you how to set up those bonuses, what to say on those bonuses, what to do, et cetera, okay? Now, the main thing here is I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up. Does this all make sense so far? By the way, give me the hashtag live, hashtag replay to let me know when you're watching this. The main thing here that stuff is good. You got to get it. So the main thing here is that you need to know who you're targeting. You need to know who you're targeting. If you're out there, again, if you haven't taken the masterclass, we talked about this in full detail. If you're out there just targeting anybody on the planet all willy-nilly, then, oh my God, you are in serious trouble. Serious trouble. You have got to nail down exactly who you're targeting. Otherwise, you can't do any of this effectively. You can't. It's not going to work. Okay? None of it's going to work. Because the thing is, you need to be able to create an offer that is directly aimed at a specific type of person, a specific avatar, as we called it in the class. Okay? So this is how you set it up. You guys are going to get this exact funnel. Okay? I'm going to give this to you down in the comment section, especially those of you who raised your hand. I think it was yesterday and said you wanted this. So this is kind of the instructional video behind it. Okay? This is how I had this set up, but you can edit this however you want, depending on your avatar, depending on who it is you're speaking to, who you're targeting. So the first thing, obviously, we want them to do is we want them to opt in, right? And for me, I'm aiming at affiliate marketers, right? I'm aiming at not just affiliate marketers, but people looking to start some kind of business online. So my headline is free step-by-step training reveals how to start your own legit affiliate marketing business from scratch. This headline was okay. I used it for a while. It was all right. But in order to spice it up, and what I would recommend to you guys, if you want to really make a headline that stands out, that pops, that really is like, whoa, okay, you want to make a headline where you talk about what's not in the training, what's not on the next page, because that increases your avatar, your leads, your prospects, that increases their level of curiosity. And now they have to by human nature, click this button. So an example of this is like, let's say if I would have worded it like this: free step-by-step training on how to build a business online without without any tech skills, without paying for ads, and and without any kind of experience. Now that would have been more effective. Why? Because the avatar, the person who's coming to this page, my prospect, my lead, if they see that and they read that, they're almost forced to click the button, because now they're thinking, well, what the hell is it? What is it? I don't know what it is. I made the mistake, even though this funnel was effective the way it was, I made the mistake of already telling them what it is right here: legit affiliate marketing business. So if they already are in affiliate marketing, or they've heard of it before, or their crazy grandpa and uncle was screaming at them about it, they're already going to roll their eyes and go, I don't want any more of this. I don't want this kind of training. I don't want this stuff. And they're just going to leave. So a lot of you guys have landing pages for your offers, for your stuff. And the problem that you're not getting a lot of opt-ins is probably because there's not enough curiosity in your headlines. Okay. I made the same mistake. I mean, I've used this for like a year. It's like the same funnel I've used. I haven't touched it. I don't like building funnels all day. So so I used that. It worked okay, but looking back at it now, the more experience that I have now, I would have made that headline a lot better. The next thing that they come to is what I call the steps page. And all this really is just a quick training. So depending on who your avatar is, depending on who you're targeting, you're selling the OFA. So the beauty of the OFA is that you can target almost anyone with the OFA, right? But you shouldn't. Okay, don't make your offer like this is for anyone. You're going to be all over the place. So pick a specific niche, somebody specific who might need it. It might be a local business. It might be a dentist office. It might be a chiropractor. It might be, who the hell knows? Somebody out there needs the OFA. So figure out who your avatar is, send this to them. And all this is your indoctrination process. So they signed up for this free training, this free stuff. And whomever it is, whomever your avatar is that needs to be educated, you're going to use this you're going to use this opportunity, to educate them. Okay. Now you can, go in here and you can edit this however you want, that fits your niche, that fits what you're doing. But the main thing you want to make sure of here is at the bottom, at the last training. It doesn't have to be all 5 of these steps. Okay. It doesn't have to be all of this, but at the last training, you want to, have a little link. Okay, you've learned a lot here. I taught you a few things. If you want more, if you want to get more here, I'm going to recommend this other thing to you on the next page. There's this awesome, amazing thing, blah, 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 blah. So click here for more steps. Now, as you can see, the next step is what? The next step is basically a pitch. It's basically an upsell, if you will, to the OFA, right? And this is where they're introduced to the OFA. Now, you can put any video here you want. You can put Russell's video from for the OFA, where I'm pretty sure you can just grab it off YouTube. He puts a lot of his videos on YouTube. I used to do that. I used to just grab his videos and put them in there. That was when I wasn't really confident with video and such. But what I would recommend here instead is like, hey, so you got this far, and I know you love the training that I sent you to, and it taught you this, and it taught you this, and it taught you this. But let me tell you about this unbelievable high level training right now that you get from this guy named Russell Brunson. So you kind of like, you know, you segue everything over to him. Like you kind of set him up like he's coming to the stage, you know. Now again, you can edit a lot of this stuff. I have it pointed towards the affiliate bootcamp, but it is just the OFA link right here. And so what you would do is, I mean, I have this already set up. This is the OFA. This is what they get. And then you can have here, you can replace all this stuff and put your own bonuses. This is what I was telling you. Like the main thing here is to put your own bonuses in here. You don't put your own bonuses in here. Like it's especially knowing your avatar, right? Again, if you need help with any of this stuff, it's in the 10x content accelerator masterclass that just happened. I think it was last Saturday. Okay, we went over all of this. We went over your avatar, how to get your message down packed, how to create a marketing campaign for them that converts, that exactly what they want to hear, the language, the copywriting, the sales pages, everything. It's all in there. Okay, so you can, like I said, you can steal this, you can use it to sell, you know, your OFA. Just obviously replace the link that's here. Replace this link with your OFA affiliate link, assuming you have an OFA affiliate link, please do. And then you can combine all the value, all the bonuses. You might give courses, you might give PDFs, you might, I don't know what you have. You give them something, you know, and then you can just spell it out for them. It's like, listen, you get all of this for $100. Okay, so use this funnel, have a great you know, content creation strategy. Okay, and then you're gonna get about $100 a day, if not more than that. It's very simple to do this. $100 a day is nothing. I know that's like the big thing with beginners, and a lot of the big gurus out there is like, do you want to make $100 a day? As the thing is, like, to a beginner that seems ridiculous, like that, oh my god, $100 a day, you know. But now I mean, it's easy to kind of like see how ridiculous that really is, even as a beginner. It's easy. I mean, you can sell one of these per day. One, there's like, you know, millions of people on Facebook that are interested in affiliate marketing alone. You know, alone. Like, and we're not even talking about people that are not interested in affiliate marketing and just kind of need, you know, need you to push them in the right direction. It depends how you set this up. It depends who your avatar is. It depends, you know, it depends not just who your avatar is, but what offer you have in front of them, how you convince them, how you convey, you know, what it is you're trying to sell to them, etc. It's in your language, it's in your copy, it's in your content. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. I started doing this, and like obviously I graduated to high ticket very quickly, but like making OFA sales and stuff is like a complete waste of my time. It's so easy, it's ridiculous. You know, so if you guys are looking to get started and just start bringing money in and start making, and you haven't made any money at all, this funnel works. It's just that you absolutely need to dial in who you're targeting and how to speak to them in a way that gets them to want to buy. And a lot of beginners don't have that in place. So how the hell are they going to sell anything? Okay. Again, the 10x Content Accelerator Masterclass. If you're interested in that, reach out to me. It's not super expensive. It's not going to break the bank. Okay. But it's going to get you these sales. And that's what I'm here for, to make sure that you get this thing going. Okay. So again, give me the hashtag live, hashtag replay. But at the same time, I'm kind of on my way out of here. I explained all that. I'm going to tag those of you that raised your hands earlier and wanted to see this, because I have to get going and I have to get to a coaching session with my private clients. But I'm going to leave the link for this funnel. Okay. I'm going to leave the link for this funnel down in the comment section. Okay. So again, I'm going to leave the link for this funnel down in the comment section. You can install, you can steal it from me right now. You can just take it away, start making $100 a day, and then thank me later. So I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.